Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Paramount Plus app error. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. Okay. So to fix it, you have to just open it. Then you have to in your streaming device, if you are a phone or a laptop or a browser, you have to follow this or check this. So first of all, you have to check your browser. Then disable the ad blocker or turn off the trafficking protection, or if you are in a specific platform, then you have to check it. Okay, so by this way you can just fix it. And the other fix are, you can just check your internet. If you are using VPN, just remove it and use a normal internet and it will be fixed. So by this way you can just fix the Paramount fatal error. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.